Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to make a mayonnaise sandwich in two ways, one in the tawa and one plain sandwich. So let's start. For that we will need butter, bread, 2 capsicum, 2 carrot, 1 mayonnaise and a cabbage. We have cut the vegetables, so we will add in this. First of all, we will add the capsicum in it, then the carrot, and then after we'll add the cabbage. So now all the vegetables are mixed up, so now we'll add salt as per the taste. Then we'll add some pepper powder. Then now we'll add the main thing, mayonnaise. So this is the mayonnaise that I used of Viva brand. Only 2 spoons we will use first and then we will see. So now let us mix it well. This is a very healthy recipe, so it can be made very easily with just 3 to 4 ingredients. Now we'll add some more mayonnaise in it. When you will eat this, it will look like creamy, taste like cream. So now we will make the sandwiches. So let's make it. Now I'll take some butter. You can apply the butter in the bread in both the breads, but I will apply in one side only. Then we'll add our mixture. So let us take we'll apply it evenly. So the first method that I will show you will be the tawa one. In that method the bread will be crispy, and the second one will be the plain, which we eat in the breakfast. We'll apply some butter on the outer side so that it cooks very crispy. So now we'll keep like this. So now we'll just on the back, and then we'll apply some butter down. Then now we'll add the sandwich. And now we'll after some minutes we'll gently press it. Make sure the gas is on low heat flame. Now we'll flip the sandwich. You can see now it is very crispy. So now let us wait for 30 seconds and then we'll turn off the flame. So you can just see the sound. It is very crispy. So now let us take it. And now let us check it. And now you can see the sandwich. It is very good. So hope you enjoyed my video. So if you like the video, then please like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.